Are you guys still applying your lashes like this? Then you will end up looking something like this. So let me show you guys how you can apply your lashes properly so that they look like this. So keep watching. Step 1 is applying your mascara. I always like to apply my mascara before applying my lashes. Next step is optional, but I like to use an eyeliner. I just draw a thin line on my lash line so that the lash band is covered properly. Now comes the important part, applying your lashes. I'm using these ones by Shields. Very affordable. I think I got it for like 150 200 rupees. And the most important thing is of course a lash glue. I love this one from Pack Cosmetics. Just take the lashes out and just measure your lashes according to your eye shape. If the lashes are too long, then you can just cut a few strands from the outer corner of the lashes. I'm not going to do anything to these lashes because these fit my eyes perfectly. Now you need to take a little bit of lash glue, apply the glue all over the lash band. Make sure that you apply some extra glue on the corners of the lashes because most of the times your lashes come off either from the inner corner or from the outer corner. Most important step is to wait for 30 to 40 seconds so that the lash glue becomes tacky. Important part, applying your lashes. For that you would need a mirror and then go really close to that mirror and look downwards, and you need to place your lashes like this and not like this, like this and not like this. Place the middle part of the lash band like so. Then you need to place the outer corner of the lashes, and last but not the least, place the inner corner of the lash. Now that I have applied the lashes properly, you just need to pinch your real lashes with your false lashes so that it merges together. Last step is completely optional. You can just use a kajal on your upper waterline so that your upper lash line looks well defined. And this is the finished look. I'm just going to do the same thing on this eye and I'll be right back. Love how these lashes elevate and enhance my eyes so well, and they look super natural, which I absolutely love. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below and comment down for the links.